You start.
Move, dogs.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Ready, set.
Whoa.
Yay! Oh, jeez. We good. We good. Vlogging is difficult when you have Netflix to watch. I gotta do something for the vlog. But that's one good thing about vlogging, is it gets you motivated to do something because you want to entertain the people and you end up entertaining yourself. So instead of just sitting here all day watching Grey's Anatomy, I'm gonna have to get up and do something or work on a project for the vlog and just, it's nice. It is. It really. Should I ask Sean to come over for a little bit? A little bit. He didn't answer. Reese, it was dirty. So, yeah, it's kind of blizzarding outside. I'm gonna go outside. Wow, yeah. That's a lot of snow. A lot of snow. What the crap? Idaho, what is this? Look at that, that's our table. Jeez, you can even see the snow on camera. I'm gonna show you your fence. Look at this fence. Halfway buried in snow. And I guess we're not going outside today because of the, you know, blizzard that's currently going on. Goodness.
So what's the difference between all-wheel drive?
So yeah, I just shoveled off some of the driveway. And like always, we have some cranberry pomegranate juice in Argo tea bottle. And I got a haircut. Looks pretty good. Do you see that stubble? I see that stubble. Just some proof that there was stuff there and I'm not making this up.
Wow. That's pretty good.
Yeah. Wait, are you wearing a lipstick?
No, my left cheek's a chit.
Ping pong action.
Was that off or
That was like,
You hit it in the...
do a 2-1 net? 3-1. 4-1.
You're losing, Sean.
It's hard. 1-4.
Sean, did you win or lose?
Terribly.
Good job. It's my turn.
How long have you been playing professional?
I lost. Give me the pen. Because he's the winner, champion. Too good.
Oops.
Watch his skills. His dad's skills. Look, he's fixing the net.
Move that back. Straight.
Good.
It was weakness.
Yeah. 39, they gotta get first down or they get.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.